Hi everyone, especially Shivorganites. Monday Food Truck Night is finally back at Walmart Park from 4 to 8. My fiance and I have been waiting for this for months. Wisconsin winter felt longer than a Monday shift. They have everything here from Mexican food to Asian food and sweet local desserts, but my favorite will always be the cheese curd truck. Before Wisconsin, I thought mozzarella sticks were elite, then I tried cheese curd and now I get the obsession. The Pelicans are back too, so after eating, go watch the sunset at North Point with someone you love. And yes, my fiance filmed this for me. Thank you, Snuggle Bear!